Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device is ready and your Google account is active. Sign into the Google account you want synced. This is the account that stores contacts in the cloud. Once done, open Settings Accounts Google and enable Contacts Sync. This tells Android to pull address book entries. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or cellular data. Syncing won't proceed offline. This step links the cloud source with the phone, which is essential before pulling any contacts. Next, you trigger the actual sync and verify what's imported. Go to Settings Accounts Google, pick the account, and tap Sync Now to force an immediate update. This pushes cloud contacts to the device. Then open the Contacts app and use the display filter. Make sure the Google account is selected so only those contacts show. If entries don't appear, check Contacts. Google. Com in a browser to confirm the cloud copy exists, because the phone can't sync what's not stored online. Finally, confirm everything is set for ongoing sync and handle common failures. Make the Google account the default for new contacts so future entries save to the cloud. If sync stalls, clear the Contacts app cache or remove and re-add the Google account to reset credentials. As a fallback, export contacts as a VCF from Contacts. Google. Com and import locally with the Contacts app. This restores missing entries. If problems persist, check Internet, account permissions, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.